Hello everyone. Here we have the applications of 5Ps. So what is the 5Ps means here? We have the product, price, place, promotion and the people. So these all will be having the first letter is the P. That's what here we are calling the 5Ps. Okay, let's you can see the whatever we had the electronic applications for the 5 PCs, or else here how we are working these 5 PCs in our marketing by based on the internet. So here what we have the 5 P's: product, price, place, promotion and the people, right? So first we will discuss the product. So just you can see here the product will be having the good or service. So those can be provided to our customers by the one company. Here, suppose if you are choosing the a good signify one good. Okay, that good can be signifies like your physical items, whatever at present you will be having. For example, you can see grocery items or else any automobiles and the books like that here. Whatever you have the goods that can be preferred by in the product manner. So just you can see product means here it is the one grocery item or else your electronic gadgets, anything you can choose here. And here if you're working with the service is like your execution of the some action, like your whatever you have the products, those are seen by the customers, right? If the customer is bought that one means ordered, so that we can call here service means who are selling the product, those are sending the product to the customers. So that process is like your service. We are executing the our service to the customers. For example, these actions can be done by the our accountants, engineers, doctors, and the lawyers like this here. And whatever you have the evolution of the internet, there are many virtual services. Virtual means your it is the online mode. It will be provides the customers in the form of electronically. For example, you can choose the stock market. In the stock market news, online worldwide news. For example, stock market news, whatever you have the stock market news, or else it may be the any information in the online. In our worldwide here, they can post everything, right? And whatever you have the services, those can be helped to the many customers due to its easy to perform with the features. And but here you can perform whatever you have the goods in the services, those will be provided in the online is difficulty. Yes, why? Because here sometimes here the product will be the wrong product, or else here sometimes it will be the mismatch, or else sometimes it will be anything it will be done, right? So for example, you can see one cannot distinguish whether an electronic greeting code and physical good or a service, right? So if you are sending the greeting card, it is heartfully we are sending, but here that is not like your heartfully. Why? Because here we are sending the product through online only. So by directly if you're giving, yes, they can feel that attachment. But if you're sending in the online, they cannot find out anything, any feel or anything. Why? Because you're after receiving it, if the person prints, then it can be becomes like your physical good, like the person's opinions, or else automatically if they open, they will know like your prices also, right? So that is not good at all. So how much we paid, the views and the deletes, everything will be in that. So that's what here you can give the directly like that. Here we can perform the our product. Just here you can see here the product will be performs like your goods in the services manner. Goods and services manner. Goods means here whatever you have the products like that. Okay, so the goods, for example, grocery items, automobiles, or else books, electronic gadgets, any items will be you can choose. And services means here whatever the sellers will be having, those people can send the products to the customers. That is like your execution of the products to the customers. And next we have the pricing. So normally we don't know how much they are pricing for each and every product, but they are giving the price for this. It is like your 99 rupees, or else it is like your 100 rupees, like that here they can give the price for the each and every product. So let's see here how this pricing can be performed. Okay, so in this your it will be having the physical good, or else yes, it may be the service. If it is the amount of money that can be charged to the customers for the goods or else services offered by firm, right? How much will to be charged for the customers? If you bought the 100 rupees, we can sell that one like your 105 rupees, like that. So means how much we need to be charged for the customers, that we can perform into the pricing. So there are many different strategies which are adopted by the firm in the relation to our prices. For example, you can see customer is given the discounted price if he buys goods or else service in larger a volume of at a time. Yes, definitely you can see. If you need any product, but if you need any product, you can see just whatever you need, you are buying that only. But they are giving the offers. You are buying the more amount of products, right? So same like that only here we have the several ways to perform with the pricing tiles. And here the customer is given discounted price, right? So here there are various strategies used by the web-based marketers to attract the customers. Yes, we have these so many ways to attract the customers in our marketers. For instance, your few sites are offering free of cost services to the customers only to create the community through which can be earn profits by selling advertising space. For example, parenthood.com. Okay, so advertisements we have in that. So in other case, there are few sites which are paying the customers for using these services and hourly basis only to the place it is advertising more on the web browsers type. So just you can see here, this process can be done in the form of bidway. So I think everyone knows here this bidway. Like your whatever we have the products, if you want to sell the product, sets the price of the product as its lowest, whereas the bidders bid the highest prices sometimes, or the prices will are fair enough. So means here we can bid, we can charge for that. Suppose you can see if the product value is the 100 rupees value, you can charge like your 105 or else 110. So like that here we are charging, right? So in same like that only, it is performed by the price list, priceline.com. So anything it can be performs, means how we can sell the product, how, or else here how we can price the product to that. And you can see whatever they have buyers, they can price the hotel reservations or else online airlines tickets or else car rent, at present house rents, everything. So how they are charging, so at least you have to be paid for this product this much of amount, like that here already we have the strategy. So by that here we are paying the amount. And prices are charged by the different forms for the goods and the services are freely available on the internet, due to which competition between them in increasing day by day, the forcing each of them to lower down the prices of their products. Apart from this here, there are many other criteria on our prices on the products, that can be depends on the reliability of the sellers and availability of the products, and what we have the services. And at last year, without the incentives here, no one can work. So like your incentives. And next year we have the place, third P. Okay, so this place can be like your distribution. Just you can see here, if you are ordering any one product, If you're ordering any one product, means you're sitting on the home, you're ordering the one product through the online, the product will be delivering to the your home, right? So means here, if you're moving of the product from the product producer's warehouse to the customer, right? So just by the location they are sending the product to you. Yes, right? By means whenever you are ordering the product, you are placing the your address. So just automatically it can take the location. So by the location from the warehouse, here we are getting the our products to our homes. So like that, here there are different channels or medium through which product is delivered to the customers. One channel is that product is sent directly to the consumer. Other channel is like your indirect way. One channel is for customer directly send, means here by the talking to each other with the manufacturer, here I'm talking means here, so they can send directly to the my home. Or else you can see, uh, we have the Amazon, right? So we don't know who are selling the yes, they can give the sellers information, but here we cannot communicate with them, right? So that is like your indirect way. Direct way means here we can communicate with the sellers. Indirect way means here we cannot communicate with them, but here we can get the our products whatever we ordered, that we can get. And the products are distributed with the use of intermediaries such as retailers, warehouses, wholesalers, like that. E-commerce can be revolutionary in terms of business and the delivery of goods within the time. At present, is the fastest communication channel through which information about the products can be delivered to the customers. Yes, as we have this information with the seconds, with the fraction of seconds only, we are getting the each and every information. You can see, for example, you can see Insight Enterprises is a real-time firm which has formed a strategic alliance with the Federal Express. Now you can see Federal Express delivers the services to the customers directly without the need of warehousing their products. Internet is boom. Internet is the boom in today's era because of its instant delivery of the online services on their needy customers. For example, if a person needs to convert the business file into the French on the urgent basis, uh, then he and she requires an English French business documents translation software. Only one option we have to the customers, that is like you're depending on the moment it to buy and the online English French English document software by visiting on the visiting and online store. Just you can remember, nothing is there, just place means you're by the customer's location from the warehouse, the people's or the customers are getting the orders, means you the customers are getting the products, that you can remember, that's it, nothing is there into this. And next here we have the promotion. So in the promotion it can be having like, in a promotion it is like your one marketing activity like your press release, advertisements, word of mouth, news stories, those are used to create the awareness of the products, or else it may be the services among the users. And it can be done with the goal of engineering with a positive customer response. Without the positive customer response here, no one can do the any process. Why? Because you're by the customer response only another customer can buy the product. Yes, you can see with the top rating only we are buying the product. Without the rating here we cannot buy any product from them. We can observe clearly, right? And some of the methodologies adapted by the our marketing communication, so those are the news stories, paid advertisement channels, consumer personal experience, and the packaging, word of mouth. Okay, these are the our marketing communications methodologies. And if you're performing the paid advertisements in the form of marketing communications, so these communication will be having the advertising media channels. Those are for like your paid advertising, like your whatever you have the products, that products you need to be for that product you need to be pay the some money to perform the services. Like if you're selling the product from the online, or else in our TV, okay, so they can charge some amount of time to you. So whatever they afford, means it will be having the billboards, television, special events, magazines, newspapers, and sometimes it is also having the direct mails also. Apart from this, here you can see internet is also at present days we are using. This is one type of new advertisement channel, so to inform everything to the customers. So how means here, by using the several applications at present days, here we have several applications, for example like your Amazon. Yes, whatever they posted, automatically we are getting those products from our mobiles. Like this means through the internet we are getting those, and whatever benefits we have from that, and whatever the price for that, everything we are seeing that one. Suppose if you are using the new medium, it can be charges the minimum money for the advertising. Yes, definitely, for the advertising it will be charges the some money. And every year companies issues a fixed amount of budgets for advertising purpose. So if they are charging like your 100 rupees, in that in that entire year you can give them money like your whatever they ask. And next year they can change. If this year they are making like 100 rupees, means here definitely they can change the like your 110 or else 150. That is depends on the your growth. Okay, that is your depends on the your growth. And whatever you have the companies, those are tries to keep track of the advertising media in order to analyze the whether the money which is being spent in the leading to success or growing or anything. So they are growing in the business or not, by that year they can perform anything. And these are divided into the two types of channels, that is the one way channels and the two way channels. Here we have, so one way channel means your the message whatever you have, that message can be sent to the customer without providing a direct technique through the which through the customer can contact the business person. Some of the examples we have, those are like your roadside bulletin boards, televisions, magazines, radios, and newspapers, and the direct mails. Like this, these are the our one way channel. So directly directly they are giving the information to the customers like that, without providing any direct technique. Okay, so we have the next one here, two-way channels. In this channel, message sent to the customers, and a technique is provided by using the customer can communicate with a business person. For example, you can see a direct mail like your with the phone responses, or else informations like your phone responses and the inquiries, electronic mails, and the hyperlinks, interactive websites, telemarketing. Like this here the customer can communicate easy way. And these two-way channels, these does not always provide the two communications. For instance, there are some websites which can be provide the complete information about the product or else your services. Just you can see whatever you have in these promotions, it is like you're working for the our companies only, it is not for the customers, but your the customers is also included. So with so many peoples, I mean here so many customers are buying the product from the one business person, means here definitely they will get the growth, right? So once they got the growth in their company, means here several companies we have in the market, those people can be charged for this. That is like your promotion, we are getting the we are always calling like your, yes, I got the promotion in my job, like that we are calling, right? So same like that only, if we are getting the more number of customers, means here that we can call like your promotion type only. And next year at last we have the people, or else we can call that is the personalization. And the people here, we can take individual manner and also staff and the customers like this. It covers the customer service levels as well as the effective communication and training for the staff, because both are significant for growth for the business. Whatever you're performing the personalization technique in this year, how many means, suppose if you're allowing to perform the customize like your home page, not your home page means here, if you created the web page, okay, in that you need to be customize the your home page, or else in our YouTube channel also we have like if you created the channel, so that is like your one page. If you need to be customize that customize the our YouTube, so you need to be work with it, that is also possible, right? So your user of the site is also ability to choose the what information they want to know in by opening of the web browsers. For example, user can customize its homepage for its favorites websites like your Facebooks, Gmails, everything. So just here what the people is working and how the people are getting the personalization, like with the form of customization for the home pages. Okay, like that here we can work the our 5 P's. Just you can remember what the 5 P's means here: product, price, place, promotion, and the people. Product means here what we have the products. Price means your how we are pricing the products. Place means from where to where we are sending the product, means from the warehouses, or else here from the sellers we are sending to the customers. And the promotion means you have the more customers are coming to buy the product, so if that is the one company, so the company will be in the form of growth, that we can call like your promotion. And the people, so here these people can means if you need to be get the more customers for your applications or anything, you need to be customize your home page. So just you can see here we have the Amazon. So in the Amazon, once you opened, that is a home page. After that here we are scrolling and whatever we need that we are opening, right? So just like here you can customize your home page to attract the people. Okay, these are the our applications of the 5 P's.